what the hell you? Call 911, call cops. Hey guys, Matt Numrich here. Thank you so much for joining us in this video. Today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cover uppercut defense. You know, that uppercut shot right there is a very, very dangerous kind of shot to go ahead and take. So we're gonna talk about the defense and how to work against this and how to counter this correctly. I'm gonna bring Casey on in here, and what he's gonna do is he's just gonna go ahead and just kind of shovel a nice little uppercut right here, and this is the shot that I'm looking for. So when he throws it, boom, this is coming right up to my face, maybe right up to my belly. How we counter this is very, very simple. If you haven't checked out our block and hit video, make sure you go ahead and do that. The reason why we're gonna go ahead and really focus on this one today is because it's a little bit different than the others. A little bit different than the others in the fact of when we're going ahead and we're getting the feet from the outside, whether it be an outside shot here or an inside shot here, we're actually moving on in. What we wanna do right now is we wanna move back a little bit. So when Casey comes on in with that shot, I wanna move my belly, boom, out of the way right here. So I'm going ahead and I'm piking back, and that's what we wanna focus on for this particular move. So when Casey goes ahead and does this, he's feeding a shot, boom, pop here like this, but notice my body is piking back right here. So when I do this, this is feeding right here like this. Now, we can go ahead and just treat this as a block, or we can combo it up with that shot right there to the face. So when Casey feeds this, I'm not just blocking right here, I'm also feeding a punch at the exact same time. Watch this again real quick. As we go here, this is the shot that I'm looking for. Pop, right here, just like this. I'm moving my body out of the way, but I'm also at the exact same time delivering the shot right to the face, and that's what we wanna do for this particular move. We wanna block, but we also wanna hit the exact same time.